everyone, this is Girly and welcome back to my channel where gorgeously imperfect, relentless, and lovely youth could watch. And if you are new here, just stay there and I hope that you would like this entire video. So, yun na nga. Panibagong araw, so panibagong makeup na naman ang gagawin natin. And for this day, we will be having an autumn makeup. So, yung iba sa inyo, familiar na dyan. And kung hindi ka familiar, so panoorin mo to. And this autumn makeup will fall on simple makeup look category for me. Like for me. Itong autumn makeup na to, pwede siyang gamitin kapag pupunta ka sa malls, sa debut, if you have presentation then you can use that one. And now, without further ado, let's now start! So, tulad ng dating gawin, I will start putting concealer on my face. So, now, if you have your sponge there, you can use that para pang-blend doon sa concealer na nalagay natin sa mukha. But on today's video, gagamit lang ako ng fingertips. I don't know but I love using my fingertips and blending yung product. Kasi alam ko na hindi nasasayang yung product. Kasi yung ibang sponge kasi guys, ina-absorb niya yung product na nilalagay niyo sa face. So beware of that. I will also put concealer sa eyelid ko kasi mamaya maglalagay tayo ng eyeshadow ko. So parang primer, basta para mas maging pigmented yung eyeshadow na ilalagay natin and hindi siya madaling you just have to press it. Hindi kailangan din ng masyadong full force na pag-press. Kailangan alalay lang since skin siya sa face natin. Ayan. So, after natin maglagay ng concealer, we will now proceed sa liquid foundation. So, make sure na kapag halimbawa naglalagay kayo ng liquid foundation sa face is nakalat siya ng maayos. Like, entire face talaga siya. Para pantay na rin yung kulay. And sa pagpili ng liquid foundation natin, we have to make sure na kakulay din mismo ng skin natin. Because sometimes, what we thought is that pagpipili tayo ng foundation, dapat 2 shade lighter, ganon. So, sa iba, okay yun kasi yung iba is acidic. Pero as much as possible, if you're not acidic naman, dapat kakulay ng skin natin para pantay yung kulay ng face natin and also sa neck natin. Sabi nga ni Bobby Brown makeup should not change the way you look, but just enhance the way you look. Which is tama naman. Kasi yung iba, di ko mag-gets yung term, pero overloaded. Basta yun, sobrang kapal ng makeup to the point na parang mascara na lang. Ayan. So, I'll get my brush para ma-blend ko rin siya ng maayos. By the way guys, it's still quarantine season, no? And grabe lang yung challenges na meron sa quarantine. Kasi hindi ka lang, alam mo yun, hindi ka lang talaga i-challenge like financially, even emotionally. Balita ko, lots of people din is nakakaranas din ng emotional struggle this time. Dala na rin ng mga nangyari sa panahon. And what I will be sharing this time is that be the toughest one. So, kung yung situation, it looks like it's so tougher, then be the toughest one. Ayan siya guys, nag-blend na siya ng maayos. I'll be using now yung powder. You don't have to put too much powder sa face ninyo, lalo na kung nag-liquid foundation na kayo. Kanina nga, sabi ko, di ba, quarantine season, it's really challenging kasi hindi ka nga lang i-test financially but also emotionally and also spiritually. Kasi grabe, di ba, walang social gathering, so hindi ka makaka-go out with your friends. And sa mga, ang stress reliever dyan is yung adventure talaga yung pumunta kung saan-saan. Struggle din sa atin yun, di ba? And I feel, pero, since yung principle na i-share ko sa inyo ngayon is that being the toughest one, trials will always be equal to boldness dapat. Boldness, like strong, like brave, ganon. Like full of courage, boldness. Because trials are meant to make us stronger each day. And hindi yung madedestroy lang tayo just because of a little problem or sabihin na natin sobrang malaking problema. It does not meant to destroy us. It meant to make us stronger each day. But anyway, take a break lang tayo because we will now proceed sa pagkikilay natin. And now, I'm still using the brown color. Dark brown to, guys. And syempre, along the way, marami talagang struggles. Like, before the victory, lagi talagang may mga obstacles tayong dadaanan along the valleys that we have on our life. Pero, quitting should not be on our vocabulary. And it is because si Jesus nga, di ba, naging victorious. So tayo, victorious din tayo. Claim na natin. Naalala ko dun sa sinabi ni Bill Johnson, heaven is our home, we're just traveling the world. So talagang, nagta-travel lang tayo sa mundo and talagang tirahan natin is nandun sa heaven. Which is sa heaven, puro celebrations lang, gano'n. So, tiis-tiis lang, matatapos din yung laban. Actually, tapos na yung laban eh. Tapos na yung laban kasi pinanalo na yung Jesus. Ayan, so tapos na tayo sa isa, proceed naman tayo sa isa. So, for example, sa laro, it's either win or lose lang naman talaga, di ba? Pero, if they continued playing and uuwi sa home ng scoreless, it could have been a defining moment for them para ma-develop yung character na nandun sa puso nila. You know, kapag halimbawa nag-win kasi tayo, nanalo tayo sa isang laban, syempre may mga consolation prizes, may mga trophy, and I want to tell you that it's not about the trophy, it's about the character. Trophy symbolizes entitlement, victory. Ganun lang siya. Pero yung build-up character na meron tayo, pwede mag-build up character along the way, it's a goal. It symbolizes belief, and of course, it symbolizes most especially si Jesus. Now, meron akong i-share sa inyo na makeup hack. Makeup hack ba? Basta yun. Ginagawa ko kasi siya, parang mapakapal ko pa yung dulo. Kapag halimbawa, medyo light pa yung eyebrow pencil na ginamit ko. So here, kung meron kayong contour dyan or palette na color brown, like dark brown, ganon, pwede nyo siyang ipatong sa pangkiling na ginamit nyo nung una. Nahihirapan ka na ngayon sa sitwasyon mo, just imagine yung grapes, di ba? Bago siya maging wine, like bago makuha yung ink, yung talagang katas niya. Kailangan mo na siyang i-press. And it's like us. Sometimes, we need a pressing moment in our life so that merong ma-build ng character within us. Yung character na maganda. One thing din na ginagawa ko sa pagkikilay, para mas maganda siyang tingnan, nililinis ko siya ng concealer. So, yung iba sa inyo, kung nanood kayo ng ibang makeup tutorial na sa Facebook, sa YouTube, oh yeah, maybe sa Facebook din kasi yung iba may mga short video clip na pinupost sa Facebook. Talagang nililinis nila yung kilay nila ng concealer. Which is, I highly recommend that one kasi parang mas magandang tingnan yung kilay natin. So, gagawin natin siya ngayon. Now, if you have your cotton buds, you can use that or yung sponge ninyo, you can use that para makuha yung ibang yung excess concealer. Malapit na tayo sa katotohanan. So, hindi ko alam kung pansinin nyo, tapos na tayo sa kilay. And ito yung final product ng ating pagkikilay. Ng ating pagkikilay. This time, after natin naman sa kilay, dadako na tayo sa paglalagay ng eyeshadow sa ating eyes. So, sa eyelid. Now, I will not be using yung color para pang transition kasi I noticed dito sa palette na to, kapag na-blend siya ng maayos, okay na, maganda na siyang tignan sa mata. For today's look, since autumn makeup na, gagamit lang ako ng isang kulay and I chose this one. Ito. Now, get your brush, this one, then dip mo lang siya. So, sobrang pigmented niya. Dapat dahan-dahan lang din yung pati yung pag-apply natin sa eyelid natin. Tapos yun, before ninyong i-apply, kailangan mo na siyang i-blow or ipatap. Basta hindi ko alam kung tama yung term ko. Basta yun, i-blow nyo na lang. Now, sa dulo lang tayo mag-umpisa. And then, sa dulo lang din natin i-blend. Ayan siya. Now, if you are in the season na sobra ka talagang nahihirapan, kaya mo yan. Si Paul nga naalala ko, si Paul, sa Bible, nakakulong na siya just because of the gospel, pero nag-preach pa rin siya sa loob ng jail na yun. David did not stop praying even when he was thrown on a lion's den. Ganun kagrabe yung faith na meron sila. And I don't know what your faith is, pero kung meron man tayong kakapitan, someone na positive, that would be Jesus himself. Ganyan siya, guys. Get your pressed powder again, and then maglalagay tayo dito ba? Now, we will also do this one dito sa kapit. Ayan, so we are now done on our eye makeup. So, simpleng-simple lang siya, diba? After naman neto, we are now going to proceed sa ating lips, which is, gagamit tayo syempre ng lipstick. But if you have your lip tint there, pwede na yun. So, yeah. Diba? So, I love this one kasi hindi siya nakaka-dry ng grabe. Pero, gagamit ako ng lip tint na mas dark para lang mas mag-glow pa yung color ng buhok ko. Ayan. So, ito pa lang, diba? Pero wala pa tayong blush on. Pero, kahit walang blush on, parang pwedeng-pwede na tayong lumarga. Lumarga? But anyway, we will now going to proceed sa ating blush on. Ganyan siya kang pigmented, di ba? Grabe. So, mag-glow lang natin. Bawasan. And then, you can now put it on your cheeks. After natin mag-blush on, muntik kong makalimutan na mag-mascara. So, ngayon, mag-mascara na tayo. Ayan. So, gagamit na tayo ng ating mascara. And on this video, I will not be using contour or highlight kasi pang everyday makeup lang naman siya. So, I think okay din ganito. And again, if you have flat nose, hindi problema yun. You just have to be confident the way you look because that would be the best outfit that you could wear. So, this would be your final look, diba? Simpleng-simple, madaling gawin, and I think within 5 minutes, matatapos nyo na. Yun nga lang, matatagalan nga lang tayo sa pagkikilay. But, kung mabilis ka naman magkilay, why not make it done in 5 minutes, diba? Basta lagi lang natin tandaan, blending is the key para maganda yung pag-apply ng product sa face natin. And I hope you like it, and again, it is easy to give up when it gets tough. However, when it gets tough and we press on, God is glorified. So, the goal is that we just need to fix our eyes kay Jesus para sa mga susunod pang laban. Yak. And that's it for our today's video. I hope you've learned something new today. And of course, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell button below for our more videos to come. Goodbye!